na-ege ntị na background enwere sound na-anụ ihe abụọkwa sound nhede ihe akwa sound machine gun na igotigbo ijele ha bụ ebe a ijele na front ndị amị wakpuo Imo State. Yes, ya na-agwa gị since nya there has been ongoing between ha na ndị ha na-achụ.
No be choice.
Mana ime ha ji atụ ndị egwu ji atụ m ha. Enwe ndị ya bụ victim of collateral damage. Ndị ejimele collateral damage ni ha because na whereby na inwele ndị nne na marụ na ndị anụ wakpoghị ime ọhịa dọrọ n'ime ọhịa na-eme ihe wee na-anụ sound moto wee mee noise ndị wee fire egbe thinking nọ ndị ha na-achọ dị ha. Nsogbu ya adị like I said. Nsogbu ya megene ya adị. So ihe mee nji ekwuli ha is that na ọbụkwa igwe ikonye enwe mmiri bụ isi okwu akwụ ya napụta ya. Then n'ime obi nkwa nwesị oke ọ bụla ụdị ihe anọ ya eme ọ dịkwa mma o maka ọ dịkwa mma mana what is good for K is good for Genekwu. At least ndị amị a gacha ha ji anụkwara steeti ebe ndị bandit na-egbu mmadụ everyday ji ejeje wee inwego jee gosikwa ha n'okwu ha adịkwa okwu gosikwa ha na ọ nwere ihe ha ji wee mee gịnị ha ji wee bilu. Na aghọta is not all about iwakpo ha n'igbo anyị ime all these things. Yes, mebe na ya ọ bụrụ na enwe ya eme ka udo dị mebe na ya ma unu mechakwa gbara nchekwa nọ somewhere. So nothing na ekwu na Ijele dozi mean no nwe military training ko informant ọ bụ na ebuzi egbe because ya afụkwa another video o bu egbe ayo hope ụzọ dị mmanya na nwoke manụwa na Governor Soludo ka ha push ndị amị from Anambra State hope ụzọ me push some from Imo State ka ha wee nwee ike wee mee gịnị wee trap ndị ha na trap na middle amahom ka si akọwa ya intelligent report abụrụ m soja nke mbụ abụọ amị. My job here is to analyze and bring up videos ihe na-eme across an Igbo. Mana na this video biko gekwa na ntị ọfụma na that sound abụọkwa sound ite ofe akwa sound kwọkwọkwọkwọ and onwe ka o si ada ka ọ dị.
You people know I told you it's not going to be easy for you people. We have been keeping quiet for long. And all this, you people, I just saw your drone. You are flying drone over your mother head. No worry, you will collect. No run. Wanna go see, wanna destruction, how it will happen. All these buying, we wanna buy people for this also. Wanna go here from Paramosis, we are in Africa. You wanna figure the difference between Paramosis and nonsense in Nigeria. Our moon when it research, it goes through overwhelming firepower. Don't worry, wanna go here. We are please calling on the Anambra State Governor, Chukwuma Soludo. Please, we need help from the Anambra side. Call whomever is in charge of the military base in Onitsha. Let them follow this up from lead. Iseke. Asia people are not ready for this. They know what the jokes they are playing with these guys, all these criminals, keep harboring them. But all these communities I just mentioned, Lil and Iseke, if they can push from back, then these fools will be outflanked by the right, outflanked by the left, outflanked from the back, and we will push from the front. Once we clear Badania and push them down into that valley, we will trap them there and destroy every single person there. We will not take surrender. We will not hear a beg. No amount of cry. Let them, you people have not shouted on social media yet, but don't worry. This shame, we will live with it for life. Come see how men are risking themselves to save our communities from the people that say they are fighting for freedom. You see all of you. Thunder will fire you people. We need to create a control. With that cauldron, we squeeze them. Once it happens, Anambra will then be completely liberated. If they can, especially some of these equipment to clear their IEDs, good bulldozers, if the Anambra State government can give us 3 bulldozers or 4 bulldozers, Imo State government give us 4 bulldozers. So many bulldozer operators don't want to come to this side. But if you bring the government bulldozers, then it will be under our own control. We just get the operators, the army operators who can operate these things. You bring it, you push forward. You don't need to buy guns, bullets and everything. All those ones have already been provided by the military. But these non-military, but still essential hardwares, we need them. With this, we will make sure we clear this once and for all. Their IEDs are what's protecting them, and we are not going to lose soldiers carelessly over this. Please, Governor Hope Uzodinma, we need bulldozers. If you can rent from any of your friends, many of your friends have construction companies, let them lend us 2 bulldozers. You will hear news. Even you, Governor Hope Uzodinma, will be present in also today. I'm telling you, by this time tomorrow, you will be visiting also with media team. Just give us 4 bulldozers, 2 for him. If you can do it, Mr. Governor, even 2. Give it to us, sound bulldozers, we have the operators, we clear those landmines. Then let them face us. They are not capable of facing us. They know. They've just flown their drone ahead to see our readiness, and I hope they are seeing this in Paramosis. Make thunder fire them, make we show them. They are not ready for a fight. But we just need all these things. It may sound simple, but it's the biggest game changer in this field. So as it stands, if you can get them from now till Sunday, Odumeje will come and bury his parents here now. Give us those bulldozers, Odumeje will come and bury his parents in also next week. This is what we are asking. Hopefully our wishes will be granted, so we don't come back tomorrow and start wasting money all over again. Thank you.
Yeah, we just arrived at the health center now. You know, this is morning, 18th of January. We are just arriving. We are just arriving for the beginning of the operation. You know the year what? I'll be keeping you up to date on what's going to be going on. Stay blessed. This is Ijele village in Osu Ijele. As you can see, the homes have been abandoned for long. All these are grasses that have grown to 3 levels. You can see the houses. How they've been taken over by nature. All the homes, people's homes have been taken over by nature. This is people's community that are abandoned. As you can see, the IPOB criminals have taken over the community, but there is a military operation ongoing right now to recover the whole community once and for all. This is the Oda and the Ijele axis of Osi Ijele. They mine the roads. That's why the military vehicles and the police alongside the DSS are carefully moving and trying to do inch by inch. We're moving slowly, gradually, but very carefully to make sure we eradicate all the bombs, all the IEDs. As there are communities, there are people's homes abandoned. Grasses have grown to 3 levels. Many of the homes, as you can see, this one has been damaged by the so-called freedom fighters that are just a bunch of criminals. As you can see that window, it shows they've been inhabiting that place. Like I said, this is the final operation to fully recover the community. This is St. Michael's Anglican Church, Osuhitokwa, completely overgrown by grass. St. Michael's Anglican Church, Osuhitokwa. This is what they've turned the community into. This is, you can see the loudspeaker, you can still see the loudspeaker there. Everywhere abandoned. And they rigged around here with IEDs. But we are coming back for it. They're here. You see why we need to fire this place?
Fire that fire.
You see what in the, you see smoke with the people. You see how person there inside there. People follow here. Either they run or they don't run already. See here. This is live from Osu, from Ijele in Osu Ijele. Live military action today, February 18, 2026.
That's how I do it. Wow. Lucky shot.
We are right now at the edge of the Osu Valley. The enemies are engaging us from the opposite direction. They are engaging us from there. Right now, we are trying to break their line of defense. Their very first line of defense. Okay. The battle right now is very intensive. We are engaging them. The army, the DSS are jointly engaging them right now, even the Air Force.
How many batteries?
Everyone is trying to engage them. We are the MTN mast also. So we are taking cover. We are the MTN mast also, engaging the enemies. We are on the verge of break their first line of defense. We can hear the sounds now.
This one will come like this, maybe.
There is an exchange of fire right now. The IPOB BSN bandits are firing, and the army operatives are restoring fire. Of course, the criminals are shooting from afar and making noise while the army is standing at a place waiting for them. But as usual, they are not coming forward, likely waiting for the army to get entrapped in their IED mines, which no one is falling for. So far so good. We are still here.